Hey, what's up everybody, it's here, and welcome back to today's trend, where we break down the hottest trends in business and finance so you can make smarter decisions with your money. Now, if you're looking to invest in 2025 and beyond, this video is for you. Today we're diving deep into the top 5 investment companies that are absolutely crushing it right now. We're talking about the big players, the disruptors, and the innovators who are shaping the future of finance. Make sure to stick around until the very end of this video because I'm going to reveal a bonus investment opportunity that you absolutely do not want to miss. So hit that subscribe button and let's jump right in. First up, we have Edinburgh Worldwide Investment Trust. Now these guys have been making headlines recently for standing up to Saba Capital, a massive hedge fund that tried to shake things up. Saba Capital, led by billionaire investor Boaz Weinstein, wanted Edinburgh Worldwide to potentially sell off its assets. They argued that Edinburgh's strategy of investing in smaller, lesser-known companies wasn't delivering the returns it should. But Edinburgh Worldwide wasn't having any of it. They fought back, arguing that their long-term strategy was sound and that Saba's short-term focus was misguided. And guess what? They won. Edinburgh Worldwide successfully resisted Saba's proposals, proving that they're not afraid to stand up for their investment philosophy. But this isn't just about one company versus another. This story highlights a bigger trend in the investment world. The battle between short-term profits and long-term growth. And right now, Edinburgh Worldwide is a prime example of a company that's betting big on the future. Next up is a company that needs little introduction, SPACEX. But hold on, we're not talking about Elon Musk's rocket company directly. We're talking about the investment firms that got in early and are now reaping the rewards. One of the most notable early investors is Founders Fund, a venture capital firm co-founded by Peter Thiel. They recognized SpaceX's potential early on and invested heavily. And let me tell you, that investment has paid off big time. SpaceX is now one of the most valuable private companies in the world, and Founders Fund's stake is worth billions. This just goes to show the incredible potential of investing in disruptive technologies and visionary entrepreneurs like Elon Musk. But it's not just about SpaceX. This story highlights the growing importance of private equity and venture capital in the investment landscape. These firms are increasingly driving innovation and funding the companies of tomorrow. Chapter 3. Herald Investment Trust. Small company investments, big returns. Now let's talk about Herald Investment Trust. Just like Edinburgh Worldwide, Herald also found themselves in the crosshairs of Saba Capital. Saba had some strong opinions about how Herald should be managing their investments. They even went as far as to put forward resolutions at Herald's annual shareholder meeting, hoping to shake things up a bit. However, Herald stood their ground. They firmly believed in their investment strategy, which focuses on identifying undervalued smaller companies with high growth potential. They argued that this approach had served their investors well in the past and would continue to do so in the future. And you know what? They were right. Despite the pressure from Saba, Herald has continued to deliver impressive returns for their investors. This story highlights the importance of staying true to your investment philosophy, even when facing pressure from big players. Chapter 4. Saba Capital. The activist investor you need to know about. Now, we can't talk about investment companies without mentioning Saba Capital. Led by Boaz Weinstein, this hedge fund has developed a reputation for being an activist investor. They're known for taking large stakes in companies and then pushing for changes they believe will increase shareholder value. Saba's investment approach can be described as opportunistic. They look for companies that they believe are undervalued or poorly managed. Once they've taken a position, they're not afraid to use their influence to push for changes, whether it's a shift in strategy, a sale of assets, or even a complete overhaul of management. While their tactics might seem aggressive to some, there's no denying that Saba Capital has had a significant impact on the investment landscape. They've forced companies to become more efficient, more accountable, and more responsive to their shareholders. Chapter 5. Robo-advisors, the future of investing and how to use them. Now for our final game changer in the world of investing, robo-advisors. These automated platforms are revolutionizing how people invest, and by 2025 they'll be even more powerful. Robo-advisors use algorithms to build and manage investment portfolios, taking the guesswork out of investing for everyday people. The beauty of robo-advisors lies in their simplicity and affordability. They don't require you to be a financial expert, and they often have much lower fees than traditional financial advisors. This makes investing accessible to a whole new generation of investors who are just starting. But it's not just about beginners. Robo-advisors are constantly evolving, with many now offering sophisticated features like tax loss harvesting and access to human advisors for more personalized guidance. In 2025 and beyond, expect to see robo-advisors become even more integrated into our financial lives. Alright everyone, that wraps up our look at the top 5 investment companies shaping the future of finance. I hope you found this video insightful and informative. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay ahead of the curve on all things business and finance, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. And hey, let me know in the comments down below which of these companies you found most interesting and why. Until next time, stay informed and keep crushing it.